Hello and welcome to Orchids 365 if you're new, and if you're not, welcome back, friends. I'm here to share a quick little unboxing. I haven't purchased an orchid in quite some time, but birthday mode has been activated. It is Thursday. I celebrate my birthday on Saturday, and when I saw Winter Haven's Orchids put this one for sale, I was like, I have to have it because she's one of the rare ones on my list. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what I got. Look how cute, guys. Life plants, please handle with love. So cute. So there's a lot of this stuff in there. So it's good for the plant. I'm going to try to keep the mess minimal here, but it's okay. Oh. I purchased a plant from them, I believe last summer. It's a Laelia. She hasn't bloomed yet, but she's put out a lot of growth. Super healthy plants, super sweet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you okay, buddy? Oh, got her out. Oh, she suffered a little bit of a beating in there. I mean, very well packaged though, please don't get me wrong. Awesome. A lot of, but she's just thirsty. I'm gonna take care of that now. So pretty. So she's a Habaneria Medusa, if you've seen them. She told me she was growing in a peat moss mix that's practically almost dirt. So I'm gonna keep her here because she's little. But I believe she told me that in maybe this year or next year she'd be blooming already. She's so little. She's so cute. I hope I can do good with her. I know that I have to keep her in a place that's shaded. She doesn't get direct light. And there she is. Look how cute she is, you guys. I'm gonna throw in a stock picture there, the one that she had, so that you can see what she's gonna look like when she blooms. And definitely one of the most different ones that oh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Circle Star Pure Scarlet. Ooh, she threw in a little bonus for me. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, guys. How sweet of them. I'm gonna look her up to see what she is. Look how cute this little seedling, well, big seedling, and look at the new growth. Aww, see, that caught me completely off guard. It must be funny when you're watching the video because you get to see my reaction. So yeah, I'm gonna probably put something to hold her in place, which I believe she had, but then it kind of like slipped off and then she's like all wobbly. So I'm gonna probably use this to, because she's falling over. And if it starts raining, you know how that is. It'll just, okay, I'm gonna try to hold her steady. I'm so excited, guys. I got a surprise baby. How sweet. Thank you so much. Winter Haven Orchids. Yay. It's funny, and this, I feel like I got like a birthday gift right now. I gifted myself and then I got a little bonus. How sweet. Circle Star Pure Scarlet. Culminant Latoyeri. Oh my god, I shredded that name. I tried, guys, I tried. Sorry about that. Okay, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll throw in a stock picture in the video so you can see them better. And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of the week, rest of the month. I love growing together with you. I love sharing my happy moments with you as well, as you see here. And stay safe, and most of all, stay kind, y'all. Take care. Bye.